Stellantis is a constellation of 14 iconic automotive brands and 2 mobility arms, a community of 160 nationalities with industrial operations in more than 30 countries and customers in more than 130 markets. That is more than transportation. It's about moving people and making connections. The business trip is a fundamental, powerful asset to achieve business objectives. We want to raise employee awareness of the cost and the impact of travel on the environment by providing tools to evaluate the overall costs versus the objective achieved, so the return of investment.
SAP Concur was the ideal partner for the technological aspect, for their knowledge and consultancy on the subject, and for the project management approach to always be ready for technological enhancement, for regulatory changes, and for corporate operations that occur every year.
We decided to design an agile solution focusing on the expense reporting and the approval process as core applications, easily to integrate with other many company systems such as HR or finances, and with a very high level of automation. The design was not just technical, but also organizational, with a clear service model for managing the processes once live in the countries.
We agree to leave Concur administration directly to travel expenses HR team and to focus on master data flows or cost recording.
This approach has been the key to our success in shortening the implementation time and also in saving on the expected budget.
Thanks to the collaboration with SAP Concur, we have managed to develop this vision and rapidly introduce it in all our markets.
The project was rolled out to more than 200,000 employees and is always optimized to improve the efficiency. Then in 2023, we considered extending the support service from SAP Concur, and it was a fundamental step to quickly evolve the implemented solution.
The world of travel and expenses has changed thanks to the evolution of the technology and the agile work methods developed in the recent years. We must offer smart, sustainable, inclusive, intuitive solutions to our employees, with special regards to the younger generation and, I would say, to their professional growth. But above all, always oriented toward our business fundamentals, which remains, obviously, the main objective.
We continue to collaborate with SAP Concur and to our ICT department to introduce some solutions for process audit automation, for itinerary building and monitoring, and for some AI-based applications.
This will allow greater flexibility and trust in our employees and managers in choosing the best travel or non-traveling solution, with the necessary visibility on the itinerary for safety and security, on the environmental impact, and again, on the business.